Hi everyone, I've just done the tutorial on this one on how to get your two-tone colour. So you pattern one side in here and here and you single colour this side. I'm going to show you how to make it in one piece in the single colour or two-tone depending on what ribbon you've got. So I've got this really, I did try it in the glitter. It's like a really stiff glitter, so it still looks really cute look. But it was a little bit stiff compared to the standard ribbon. But it is beautiful, but I really like that one as well. So I did it in this one, and I'm going to do it in this ribbon, which is double-sided galaxy print ribbon that I got sent for me from Princess Bow Supply from the US, who kindly gifted me this in a package that she sends to me when she sponsors my channel each year. So that is that one. Okay, so let's go. This is 3-inch ribbon and it is 60 centimetres in total, but all the information will come across the screen and be in the description box as well. So we start with this. I'm going to take our lighter and in the clear blue bit of the flame heat seal our ribbon. Okay, so we want to work out our centre. I'm going to fold it like this as well. Do a little pinch here just so I've got a guide for this way. And what I'm also going to do, make it easier, I'm going to fold these a centimetre back and do a little crease each end. There we go. This will help me guide my ribbon in a minute. I'm just going to heat seal that a little bit more because I'm a little afraid. Okay, so there's our centre. What we want to do is turn it so it's this way. And you want to bring it round. I'm just going to fold that and pinch here as well. So that's the centre of that. So place that on there in this motion. I am just going to clip here. Okay, for now, and then we're going to take this side, turn it round. And this side wants to overlap, so where that line is, this one goes over the top so that the lines are on top of each other. Okay, then you can take your clip that side. Make sure that that's nice and centred. And then you can put your pin over the lines. There, I'm just going to lift this up and get that fray there. Okay, don't want any fraying in our ribbon. And then we can take our 2 clips off at the moment. So then you've got this like figure 8 like look. And then take your fingers in the ends here and bring it till you've got this. It's nice and even. You want to push down until you get this look. And again, I use 2 clips here, one either side, just hold this all in place like this, and then bring it up to the corners like this and just see if it's even or not. As you can see here, that is fairly even, so we're good to go and put our pins across. If it's not for whatever reason, you can obviously, before you start stitching and everything, open it back up. That's where your centre is. Okay, that feels a bit better, a bit more even. And like I said, reclip once you're happy with everything. And again, you can fold it over, make sure your pin's still in the centre and that your even ends match. Now the key thing about this one, this is what I just said in the other video, you want 10 even stitches each side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the same on the other side. And it should look like this when we put the stitches in, and we should use this side to make this side match, and I'll show you just in a second. I'm just going to put some pins in first so that this doesn't move them out around as we're getting everything sorted. And I always advise you to put the pins across, because if you don't, it slips, and that is where the balance of this one goes, and you'll have like an uneven bow that isn't quite right, and you won't understand why it doesn't sit as it should. And you also want this centre line as close together as possible, or completely butted against each other. There we go, and then you can take that clip off. And then we've got our needle and thread. I want to start at one of these corners. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just going to go in and take that one out now from underneath. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Should be coming back up through the corner this side, and then pull your needle through. There you go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, leave a little bit there, and then like I said, use this as a guide. So across there, so that's 1, 2 there, 3. At this point you can start taking your pins out. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take pin out, take pin out. 8, 9, 10. Pull that through. There you go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that is the back. And this is what it looks like at the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 10 in total. And then take these two bits and you pull them like this, and you cinch your centre like so. And then I'm going to take this thread and I'm going to wrap it round you'll see in a second. So I'm just going to bring that round like this a little bit, just so it's evenly around the centre. Okay, and then you can tie this off in just a second. Okay, and the other thing I'm going to do on this occasion is I am just going to take the thread and I'm just going to go all the way through there. There, line up that side, I'm just going to go through all of those just to hold the balance and make sure it's all nicely lined. Okay, tie that off in the back. And then we've got a clip. There we go. Got our clip. Attach that to the back. Some 9mm ribbon to wrap the centre. Round twice. 1, 2. And then I've got this 3-inch ribbon, which I've done a 1-inch piece. Trim off the edges where you got like the ribbon edge. Just take those off. And then against your thumb, do like an S shape, like this. Blue clear bit of the flame. And then pinch that together until that end melts. Be careful in your fingers because it does get quite hot. Then you want to do exactly the same this end. Again, that S shape. Pinch that together. Then you get a dip here and a dip here. And on the flat side, a little bit glue there. Turn your ribbon over. You want to always start this side at a slight angle. And then wrap this over. And then you want to glue so that this is slightly angled this side. Okay, and then you can get a nice scrunch centre. You can get a really pretty glamour bow. There you go. As you can see in the different ribbons, it all gives you a slightly different flair depending on like the texture of the ribbon that you use. The softer you get, the more flared. The slightly more structured ribbon, you get the like more curve and the slightly smaller look. So you can also play around with those as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.